Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 11th. Craig's feeling better today, so we are at the Ronald McDonald House doing our volunteer work. Craig came in and got right to work. It is a very cold day in Iowa today. I think when we left home it was -1 degrees. And yet, no snow.
Craig, let's talk about your favorite cartoon.
In the loud house, Dog pushes up the showy show of love. It's about a boy named Lincoln who lives with his 10 sisters: Lori, Lenny, Luna, Luann, Lynn, Lucy, Lon, Lisa, and Lily.
Who does the voices?
Grant Palmer, Catherine Taber, Lilian Umi, Mika Farman, Christina Purcelli, Jessica DeSicco, Greg Griffin, and Laura Jill Miller.
What year did that come out?
2016.
What's your favorite
A
episode?
Tale of Two Tables.
Can you do an imitation of the Loud House Kids?
I found him! How dare you, boy, a brother! Only we can do that. Pooh.
We are done with our volunteering. And today, Craig has chosen to eat at the Gateway Market. Gateway Market, here we come. It looks to be a very busy place today. Hi. Ooh, I might have to try some of these sumo oranges today.
No, just trying to limit its use. They bought these two shitty millions.
Well, let's see what's on the bar today. Get yourself a plate, Betty. Get some salad. Let's see what's on the hot bar. Looks like they have Swedish meatballs, scallop potatoes, and that's a cauliflower casserole. Some mac and cheese, some mashed potatoes, corn, green beans, Brussels sprouts, and chicken strips. We have our food, and I was right. It's crazy busy in here today. Lots of people getting soup, understandably, with this very cold weather. There's Craig's salad he got. It looks pretty delicious. And he got a couple of chicken strips and a little bit of mac and cheese. I got a salad and a chicken strip. And then for dessert, we have these Hail Mary Meyer Lemon tarts. We've been getting those when we come here and sharing these, and they're a nice little sweet treat at the end of the meal. Craig is ready for dessert. Here's what these little lemon tarts look like. They also have key lime and I think some other flavors. I like the lemon. Do you have a review for Gateway Market?
Yes, Gateway Market is the best place to be. The salad and the chicken strips are delicious. The waiter is nice. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. The Craig 8 member super approval.
What was your favorite thing?
The macaroni and cheese.
A sample of the oranges. Can you get it? Do you need help? What do you think?
It's good.
You want to try a sample of the Gouda? This is really good Gouda. What do you think? Yeah, it's really good. This is Old Amsterdam sweet aged Gouda. We need to check out the Valentine things while we're here. They have some little gnomes and some hearts and some really tiny little gnomes. And it has a little card that goes with it about the little gnome sends hugs and wishes your way through sunshine thoughts to brighten your day. A little bud vase. Some cute plush. Those are really cute. Very soft too. Like this little Triceratops. I guess it's the same as the one on the top shelf. A little basket of cloth berries. Some tiny bears. And I think that's about it. I also noticed these very unique flowers over here I've never seen before called Protea. There's the $10 a stem. They must be rare or hard to grow. These wax flowers are really pretty for $4 a stem. They always have such pretty flowers here. Status. And then we have some pretty bouquets over here. We're in Target to look around. I got myself a brown sugar shaken espresso at Starbucks. And while I was standing there, I noticed a new Doritos flavor, Sriracha. That is definitely not for us. I know Sriracha is pretty spicy. Need something? You need something, Craig?
No.
Okay. So I decided that I would check out the Valentines while I'm here. And I'm going to show you some of the fun things they have for Valentine's Day. They have these cute wreaths that have like pink, different shades of pink leaves on them made of felt. Here's a Valentine banner. I think these are just little table, what do they call them? Just says indoor decorations. Maybe you put them in a little bowl on your table. Here's a cake, and it looks like a cupcake. Got the XL. The little cherries are really cute, aren't they? Here looks like a crescent roll, and a cup of coffee. A couple of cactuses. And they have the little birds. This bird's dressed up like a little Valentine, and this one's dressed like a Valentine's teddy bear. They have some more banners. This little looks like a box of chocolates, but it's little birds in there. And down here, I actually have, I think, this bird in pink that I bought last year. I probably have to buy this one to add to my set. And these are $5 each. They have a Target dog Valentine, a little Target shopping cart. And this little house here, it's really cute. This might look cute on my windowsill. A love bus. Some little pillows down here. Here's a little basket you could use for your Valentine gift. And there's some lights down here. Looks like maybe some neon lights. A little XOXO, maybe that's a box. Kind of a creepy Cupid. So they do have some fun Valentine decorations in this area, which is on the end of the aisles of candy. And pretty reasonable prices. This is also cute. I like you. I remember saying those kind of things in middle school, I think it was, and then it must light up here. These little frosted cookies here, I remember we used to get these all the time. They're in the shape of dogs, and they have pink and white with red for Valentine's Day. Very cute. All kinds of things to give out for Valentine's Day. Scooby snacks, Rice Krispie treats, Fruit Loops, cheese balls, pretzels. There's a little strawberry lemon fizz. Looks like a little snack mix. Doritos, stay. This would be Craig's favorite Valentine, I think. Doritos or Cheetos Asteroids. Mainly Doritos. Oh, the Cheez-Its. The girls would like those. They love Cheez-Its. There's some goldfish crackers. And some Pringles, also a favorite of Craig's. Craig, which of these items do you like best?
This one.
The croissant and the coffee?
Yeah.
I like those cherries too. They have all these different treats you could get for Valentine's Day. They have these cookies, Scooby snacks. They have Fruit Loops, Rice Krispie treats, pretzels. They have Doritos and cheese balls and Cheez-Its. Which one would you most like to get for Valentine's Day? The animal cookies. Well, I didn't really mean we were getting them. I just was asking.
Oh, I knew that.
And here is a cute, super cute Valentine's Day plush. Gigglescape. It's this purple bird that says, "Be mine." That's so cute. We have a little teddy bear. These little monsters, I don't know, are they puppets or you just put a gift in their mouth, maybe? Yeah, they're not puppets. But definitely they have an opening in their mouth. You could put something. And they have that in a yellow, a gold color, and they have a green one. Those are super cute. I like those. A couple of Boston Terriers, maybe? Oh, I like the cat. Of course I like the cat the best. There's Bluey in here. And a little flower in a pot. They have these little Hello Kitty figures. These are $9.99. These little plush I think are $4.99. And the bigger ones are $9.99. Some Squishmallows. There's a banana. That's cute. And then some more little, like, this is like a monster to me, $9.99. The Squishmallows are also $9.99. This is a little turtle. Some Mickey and Minnie Squishmallows for $14.99. And these are Squishmallow Mysteries, the Mystery Squad, and they're $5.99. These might be fun to put in the girls' Valentine gifts. I might grab a couple of these. Probably both pink to prevent fights. These are $5.99. That's not a bad price. There's some cute little covered boxes to give away treats in or to keep your treats in. They're $9.99. Some more surprise toys. There's a Valentine's mini-verse. That must be a little game. Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. Looks like a card game of some kind. The botanicals to put in your vat for a Valentine. Maybe I should get these for Haley. She likes doing these. I don't know what I get for Bennett, but I know I could get that for Haley. This is cute too. Also, this is adorable. They actually have a few different kinds of the botanicals. One of a Nito heart. Everyone always loves these. They're so fun to squeeze. They have squish-alongs, Valentine toys. Looks like you can put them on rings. This is a Disney collectible mini figure for $3.99. And then down here they have, I've never heard of this one, Mariah Elizabeth. And these are $9.99. Let's see what they are. They're mini mystery plush. They have Valentine Polly Pockets for $9.99. They're called Sweethearts. They have lip gloss. You make lip gloss with that. Those are $9.99. Some slime for $5.99. This looks like a slime with some little hearts in it for $7.99. They have quite a few Valentine's gifts here. Valentine's Day has gotten to be a lot bigger deal than it was when I was growing up. We just got a box of candy, a little box of candy. My dad would always bring us home a box of candy. More like this size of box of candy. Now it's like they get an Easter basket for Valentine's Day. And I'm guilty of doing it. There's all the boxes, many boxes of Valentine's candy. Here's the big boxes of Russell Stovers. What do you think is better, Whitman's or Russell Stovers? Some little Valentine plush. Look at this. You're the goat. I learned this on when I used to do TikTok. Greatest of all time. A little s'more. An oxalate. And Target is definitely thinking spring. They're setting up their outdoor shop. It's always an exciting time. Thinking of planting flowers and vegetables. We had so much fun with that last year. Those little bunnies are cute. And a gnome. $20 for the gnome. $15 or $20 for the bunnies, depending on which one you get. Here's some outdoor lamps. On this side we have some doormats. I like this. Oh, hello. That's $12. And then lots of pots. Also, they're getting ready for grilling season. Joe sold some of his beer cans. And with the money he got from them, he says he's going to buy a Traeger grill that you can also smoke on. So I'm looking forward to some smoked and grilled food this summer, especially some smoked ribs. I like the Fireball. That's pretty neat. It's $79.99. Yikes. Look at this. It's a Harry Potter mini-verse. You can make potions. That's pretty cool. Build your own classroom. I don't see a price on it, but I'm betting Livy would love it. Look at these little bird statues. Those are so cute. I like this one the best with the hat on. I guess it's just to like set. And this is all outdoor stuff. So it's just a set with your, maybe on your outdoor furniture. It's very cute. And those are $10. What did you find?
Bart Simpson.
And Lisa.
Yep.
See, it's just squishy.
Yum.
We stopped into Marshall's to see what kind of Valentine's things they had. This cat pillow is so cute. It's $19.99. It's very, very soft. We have several Valentine pillows and Valentine throws. This one's really pretty with the tigers on it. I don't know about the tigers, but I like the colors. There's a ladybug one. Reminds me of Josie. And they have a few Valentine's Day items back here. Maybe down here smelling the candles, Craig. Mm-hmm. Which one's the best?
The grape juice.
Let me see it. It looks like a juice box. Oh, that does smell nice. That's a cute candle. And here's where we have some Valentine decorations. Looks like they've carried the gingerbread over into Valentine's Day. Lots of this stuff looks like things I've bought in the past. There's one of these candy jars again. Craig did find a snow globe. It's an ice cream truck snow globe. That's cute. There's some items for Valentine's Day. They have some mugs, some conversation heart cups and little plates. Just quite a few cups and mugs. There's a cute mug with some ladybugs. Some Hello Kitty insulated tumblers. There's another pattern right there. A set of tulip sippers. Some Valentine kitchen towels. I like this one. This one feels like it would probably work the best as a towel. Oh, these are nice too. A sparkly lips placemat. Some Valentine themed bakeware, cookware. Some little bowls. Stitch, of course. There's a silicone pancake mold up there. And then these are rows for cupcakes? I'm not sure. Little heart tongs, those are really cute. And a mixing bowl that comes with some heart cookie cutters. This basket looks like an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
This is a very cute mug set. It has a little Valentine heart plate on the bottom, and this is $12.99. That's adorable. And there's a Snoopy up there too, a plush Snoopy, and some poop plushies. This is a squeezy heart-shaped cake and a lobster. I'm not sure what these cowboy boots are supposed to be for. I'm not sure at all. Let me know in the comments if you know what that's for. I like these little jars with the hearts on them. They look so cute with the conversation heart candy in it.
And now it's time for mail. So what's inside this package?
Craig's pretty excited about this big white package.
Merry Christmas! Wishing you the spirit of Christmas, which is joy, the hope of Christmas, which is peace, the heart of Christmas, which is love. Dear Craig, I hope this box and cut.
I hope this box and card find you well. I'm sorry this was so late. Keep on having a great day. Happy New Year. Kim and Dave.
Donald Duck!
Oh, I love it. I love red. And I don't think we have any Donald Duck shirts, do we? Uh-oh.
Tigger!
I love it. Troublemaker.
Garfield!
Oh, it's from the new Garfield movie. Craig always looks at this at Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
He's so cute.
And SpongeBob! The complete series of Jetsons!
Oh!
And the Flintstones Christmas Carol! And the story of the Looney Tunes!
I love these. This is a great box, isn't it, Craig? Can you show us the story? Yeah, that's good. Let us see that. Okay. Oh, you're reading it. Let me see the book, because we didn't really get to see the book. What is the story of the Looney Tunes? It's like an interesting book.
Yep. Just cartoons, right?
Mm-hmm.
Socks!
What's on them? Turn around so we can see. Are they just red? Okay. I see one that looks like it has something on it, though. Oh, yeah, here we go. I thought I saw. Oh, these are cute. They're like emotion socks.
They're emotions. And look, a cherry brown ornament.
Oh, that's so cute. This year's been the Charlie Brown year. We've been loving Charlie Brown this year.
Yeah, Garfield Funk Pop Comp
Funko Pop. Very cool.
And another one.
I think it's an ornament. We'll have to open these up so we can see.
Okay. And there's plenty more.
Okay.
They're Grinches.
They're Grinches? Oh, there is a Grinch. A Grinch with a Grinch snowman. We'll have to open all these up and then we'll show everyone, okay?
Golden Books.
This is quite a box of gifts, my goodness. And lots of little golden books. Which also we'll have to, we'll lay these out so you can see all of them. Craig is too anxious to see what else is in the box.
Mickey Mouse books.
Oh, Mickey Mouse socks. Very nice.
Rainbow Bells.
Some rainbow bells, like they're chewy, I think. They sent you some some M&Ms.
And Jelly Bellies.
More Jelly Bellies. These worked really great for our trip, didn't they?
Yeah. Spider-Man.
Oh, good old Spidey.
And How to Draw
that's
Looney Tunes.
Cool. We're going to have to, we'll do that.
I don't know how to draw these Looney
Well,
Tunes
I think it
characters.
shows you. We'll get this out and see if we can figure it out, okay? You don't have to do it right now. What's in that box? Oh, it's candles.
No.
Oh, no, I'm not going to lose it. Are there... I think there's a whole nother layer, too. All these different scents. What's this one smell like? What do you think it smells like?
Mostly marshmallows.
Mm-hmm. Or vanilla. Yep.
Vanilla.
Let's see what this one smells like. What's that one smell like?
Hmm.
You don't know? I don't know, but it smells really nice. Maybe it's Christmas smell. Let's see that one. Oops. Can you guess that one? It smells like orange, I think. Maybe it says on the bottom. Oh, this is lemon, not orange. Okay. We'll do all of those. I'll also set all those out. Should we... Well, let's open the other package and then we'll try your shirt on, okay? Can you get it?
Thanks, Kim and Dave, for all these wonderful gifts.
Yes, those are very nice. Just the things Craig likes, too. You did an awesome job.
It's
Oh my goodness, that is really cool. Who is it, Craig?
Alfred E. Newman of Man Magazine.
Yeah, I love that. You got 3 really cool shirts today.
Yup.
I love it, Craig.
Yup.
Well, whoever sent this, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for brings this shirt.
There we go. What does it say on it, Craig?
Troublemaker.
Troublemaker. Now, sound like Tigger. I love it. Last but not least,
Donald Duck.
Yeah, we love Donald Duck.
He's hilarious.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kim and David, for those wonderful gifts. And that concludes the Wonderful World of Des Moines, sponsored by Gateway Market. It's Gatorific. Good night, everybody, and keep on having a great day.